हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस। एंड एज यू गाइस कैन सी दिस इज़ अ ट्रैवल व्लॉग। और इसी की वजह से गाइस इस ट्रैवल की वजह से मैं पिछले संडे अपलोड नहीं कर पाई, सो आई एम रियली 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 सॉरी. And yeah, I also wanted to upload more videos since I am traveling. So yeah, this video is also very special because it is my mother's and father's anniversary, so this is like super special as well. And I hope with this video you guys can see the increased quality and the editing level. So this video literally takes so much to edit, like so much time to edit. And yeah, over here we almost reached the railway station. And yeah, like you guys can see the tracks, right? So this is Secunderabad railway station and we reached here. And yeah, so shortly after that हमारी ट्रेन आ गई. And then I am like literally getting in, and here is me. So yeah, this is my seat, not this one but the side one. I really love this seat, by the way. And here is my mom, my brother and my papa sitting over there. But yeah, this is our seat and this is how it looks. My mom is like super I don't know, like obnoxious because I am recording or whatever. But yeah, that is the railway station. And yeah, this is the scenery. This train started going on, and yeah, you guys can see the curve. The train is like super long, and I am really fascinated by it. I don't know why, but yeah, I really love traveling in trains. Like I have for my whole life almost traveling in my trains. So yeah, you guys can see how beautiful that looks, right? I am just amazed. You guys can enjoy the view now. So this is the view at like 2 a.m. you guys, in the morning. और मैं 2 बजे उठी थी actually, क्योंकि हमारा स्टेशन आने वाला था after some time. So yeah, and the lights that you guys are seeing actually is a power it is a powerhouse or something like that, where like actually electricity is generated. So that is like super beautiful. But in this camera that is not actually very nicely captured, but still it looked super amazing. That's why I captured it. But yeah, you guys can see how many lights are there, and it is literally amazing. Like that lights will cost a lot of electricity as well. But yeah, and yeah, like shortly after that we were about to get out of this train. So let's see. So now currently it is 2:40 and I am about to get out of this train. So yeah, this is my brother. And we were about to get out, and here I am. And yeah, now we are about to get out of this train, and here is like the station that we are getting off. So you guys can see the train is like literally amazing, and the time is 2:46 a.m. and literally no one is there on the station, just we and the railway staff, nobody else. This looks really spooky now that I see this, but at that time it was like super cold, so I couldn't even focus on that, and we just get out of this railway station, and we just go to our house super quick because it's so cold outside. So here is my home, like literally missing it so much, and like literally whole quarantine I was in this home and quarantining because मैं अपने गांव में ही थी जब हम लोग का like quarantine हुआ था, लॉकडाउन हुआ था, तो मैं गांव में फंस गई थी, but because of this house I was super comfortable, and you guys can see मेरी आंटी ने ये घर को कितने अच्छे से सजा के रखा हुआ है, and this is like super amazing. So yeah. Hey Fantastics! So this is the decoration. हमने इसको ऐसे सजाया है यहाँ पे, and I am not yet ready, but क्योंकि मैं ये सब सजा रही थी, but अभी फाइनल मेरे मम्मी पापा आने वाले हैं थोड़ी देर के बाद. So this is how I am looking. I think you guys can see. So I am wearing this red top and black jeans, and I have this choker and matching jewelry. So yeah, I think this is nice. You guys can see me. So yeah, sorry about the starting. मैंने उसमें intro shoot नहीं किया था, but yeah, this is how the whole setup looks like. और इसके बाद सारा मैं आपको voice over दे दूँगी, तो आप enjoy करिए. So guys, here comes the cake. Like literally, I was super eager to watch this. Like I really wanted to just open it, but after some time, I'll show you guys how it looks, and it looks like super fantastic. So yeah, let me show you guys how it looks. So here is the cake finally. So you guys can see. Oh my god, this is just amazing. It is a double layer cake, and it is inside it is like pineapple plus vanilla, it seems. And yeah, it is the 20th anniversary of my parents, which is why it's like super amazing. And yeah, so I decorated everything, and here is the cake which my auntie booked, by the way, and she is the awesomest person I know. Like she's amazing and she can do literally everything. So here is my mom and dad. So finally we like cut the cake. So here are they, and yeah, we are cutting the cake now. And here you guys can see my mom look literally amazing. She looks like little queen, beautiful, amazing. Typical South Indian bride. Like literally she's looking super awesome. And yeah, the sari is amazing as well. Yeah, it's just so beautiful, everything. And I am just speechless about that. But yeah, I can I can never be that beautiful in sarees, but yeah, that's my thing. But she looks amazing, typical South Indian, you know. So yeah, now the cakes. And here is my nanny, like literally not looking like a nanny, but yeah. And here she's eating, like, but my mom is like, no, 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 eat. And yeah, so yeah. And next is my awesomest auntie, which is living in this house right now. And it is her beautiful house right now, and like she is amazing. And yeah, they are taking it like this because of COVID, you know, we cannot share food like that, but still, so everyone is like taking a little bit of the cake by hand and then giving it to my parents, like that. So yeah, here is my brother, and then I think I will come, I guess, next. I don't know, am I the next one? No, I'm not the next one. Here comes the small princess, Afshin. You guys know Afshin. You all love Afshin so much, and she's like the super cutest. But yeah. And I think finally, yeah, now I am going to come here and I'm going to eat the cake. I am just here for the cake, you believe it or not. I literally loved the cake so much. And yeah, it was like super amazing. And now I am going to let my mom eat some. And yeah, next is Jabir. You guys know Jabir as well. We have done a slime challenge before, but after like that he's busy studying and everything, so we have like not enough time. So yeah, guys, that's all in this special day. It was literally amazing, the greatest family gatherings ever, and these are some of the golden moments, some of the photos. And yeah, I am like super glad I can share this with all of you guys. I am super happy to have a family like this and to have fantastics like you guys. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.